Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
जैसे जैसे हफ्ते के दिन बढ़ते जाते हैं वैसे वैसे आपका चैलेंज और बड़ा हो जाता है कि आज टिफिन में क्या बनाएं जो कि हेल्दी भी हो, डिलिशियस भी हो, बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली कुछ डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, है ना? Hi, I am Pallavi Nigam and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable, where to solve your everyday tiffin problems, some of India's most loved chefs are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. The wonderful recipe that we are making today are crepes. But the best part about is its creamy, fruity filling. तो चलिए मिल के बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन. So, to start making our crepes, first we'll make the filling. Some cream cheese. Now we'll add some strawberries, some grapes, and some lemon juice. Just mix it. And now I'm going to add a special ingredient, Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam. You know, adding Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam brings that real flavor of fruits to your filling, and also it brings that natural sweetness, and that is why you can see that I'm not adding any extra sugar. We're just going to mix it. So the filling is ready. Now we'll make our crepe batter. Some millet flour, some melted butter, and eggs. Now some milk, and we'll just whisk it. So my smooth crepe batter is ready. Let's heat the pan. So my pan is hot. I'm going to add a ladle full of batter, little bit more. So my crepe is looking done from one side. I'm just going to flip it very gently and let it cook other side also for 2 minutes. So now my crepe is nicely cooked on both the sides. And I have my filling ready. Just going to put some filling at the center. Now we'll just close it. Now we'll just cut it in 2 parts. And time to pack it up. Now some health, some raisins, watermelon. So there you go, filled with wonderful fruity goodness, crepes are absolutely ready. With this recipe, I'm pretty sure your kids' tiffin will come back empty. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hit the like button, share the video with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. आखिरकार वही तो हम बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.